Good morning, everyone. I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here. I know this is a little bit of a different angle, isn't it? I have decided to share some of my older videos with you. I have re-edited them and I wasn't really sure how I was going to do this. But my goal was to share videos with you on Wednesdays and Saturdays. And Wednesdays I was going to attempt to do a 3-minute video. So this is such a great way for me to share some of my favorite older videos with you. So let's get painting, old style. Okay, and here we are with this beautiful Chaos Dutch pour. I absolutely love this color palette, and I had forgotten about this piece because it's been sold, so I don't have it here to see. And when I did the short, I had forgotten how beautiful this piece was. So I wanted to remaster some of my older videos and bring them back to show all of my new viewers. And I have some really great little tips and techniques to share with you. So as you'll see here, I have some Amsterdam white and water. That's it. And the lacing that it creates is absolutely beautiful. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will link this original video at the very end so you can go and have a look at the full video that I posted way back in 2021, I think it was, in the summer. And yeah, love this technique. It's just so relaxing. And if you give this a try, I would love to hear what you think. And here we are with the close-up. You'll see how beautiful the lacing and the cells are. The colors I will have listed down in the description. But please, please go back and watch the original video. It's much slower, and I talk through the whole thing about some of the tips and tricks that I use for this technique. Oh, look at those beautiful little cells popping through there, and they're so multicolored. Love, love, love this piece. I definitely want to give this a try again. I may actually try and recreate this piece. I've done that a few times in the past with really, really great success. So yeah, keep your eyes out. Make sure you subscribe to my channel as well as hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. So have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!